Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to this detailed tutorial on replacing the screen and LCD cover of your Dell Inspiron laptop. Let's dive right in. Tools required: a Phillips number 0 screwdriver, a plastic spudger or opening tool, a soft cloth to avoid scratches, anti-static wrist strap, optional but recommended. Step 1. Prepare your workspace. Start by ensuring that your workspace is clean and well lit. Lay down a soft cloth to protect the laptop's surface. This will also help in keeping screws from rolling away. Step 2. Power off and unplug. Before you begin, power off your laptop and unplug it from any power source. If your device has a removable battery, take it out. This is crucial for your safety during the repair. Step 3. Remove the back cover. Using the Phillips number 0 screwdriver, remove the screws on the back cover. Keep them in a safe place. Once all screws are out, gently use the spudger to pry open the back cover. Work your way around the edges to avoid damaging the clips. Step 4. Disconnect the battery. Locate the battery connector on the motherboard and disconnect it carefully. This will prevent any accidental short circuits while you work on the screen. Step 5. Remove the LCD assembly. Next, locate the screws that hold the LCD assembly in place. Remove these screws and keep them with the others. After that, gently lift the LCD from the hinges and disconnect the video cable. If you're unsure or uncomfortable with this step, remember we offer a professional diagnosis without obligation. Step 6. Clean the internals. Before installing the new screen, take a moment to clean the internal components using compressed air. This will help in maintaining optimal performance and longevity of your device. Step 7. Install the new LCD. Now, take your new LCD screen and align it with the hinges. Reconnect the video cable securely. Make sure everything is seated properly before moving to the next step. If you don't have the tools or prefer assistance, we provide pickup and delivery at your home for your convenience. Step 8. Secure the LCD assembly. Once the screen is connected, place it back into the hinges and secure it with the screws you previously removed. Ensure the screws are tightened but do not over-tighten as this may damage the screen. Step 9. Reconnect the battery. Reconnect the battery to the motherboard, ensuring it clicks into place. This is an important step that many overlook, so double-check your connections. Step 10. Reattach the back cover. Align the back cover with the laptop body and press it into place. Replace all the screws to secure it. Remember, no calls, no travel. We're here to help if you need it. Final step. Power on your device. Finally, plug in your laptop and power it on. Check the new screen for any issues. If everything looks good, congratulations on your successful screen replacement. If you encounter any problems, don't hesitate to reach out for a quote before repair. This concludes our tutorial on replacing the screen and LCD cover of your Dell Inspiron laptop. Thank you for watching. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.